The story of the United Arab Emirates UAE is one of unity, vision, and transformation. From its origins in the desert, it has grown into a symbol of progress in the Arabian Peninsula. In the early 20th century, the region was known as the Trucial States, made up of small, independent emirates along the southern Arabian Gulf. Each emirate had its own ruler and traditions. The sheikhs were connected by a shared history and strategic location between the British Empire to the east and the Ottoman Empire to the west. For centuries, Bedouins, fishermen, and traders inhabited these lands. The region lacked political unity, but held strategic importance. In the 19th century, the British signed treaties with the sheikhs to offer protection, which is how the area became known as the Trucial States. After World War II, Britain began to reduce its influence in the region, leading to uncertainty about the future. In the 1960s, the discovery of vast oil reserves brought wealth to the small emirates, but also revealed the need for cooperation. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, ruler of Abu Dhabi, envisioned a united federation as a way to ensure prosperity and security for the Emirates. In 1968, with the British withdrawal imminent, the sheikhs began discussing unity. After negotiations, 6 Emirates Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, and Ajman agreed to form a federation, signing the agreement on December 2, 1971. Ras Al Khaimah joined the Union in 1972, completing the UAE. Under Sheikh Zayed's leadership, the UAE quickly modernized, developing world-class infrastructure, education, healthcare, and technology, becoming a prosperous nation. Today, the UAE stands as a beacon of innovation, blending its rich cultural heritage with modern achievements. As the UAE celebrates its National Day on December 2nd, it reflects on its remarkable transformation from desert villages to a global hub. The story of the UAE is one of hope, cooperation, and the enduring strength of unity.